Hang on, I don't know what to say yet.
Oh.
Hi everybody, today we're just going off to Ikea. I thought I'd take you with me. We're buying some exciting storage boxes or cubes. This is Mum.
Hello.
She's come to help with the cube buying.
Yeah. Building.
For some reason in the Ikea restaurant you have to pick your pudding first. Right, we've just come into the restaurant to start with, and we've got vegetarian meatballs with chips, and I've got jelly on mine. Mum hasn't got jelly. We've also got some puddings, I'll show you in a minute when we have them. There's Mum, under the nice light. Say hello.
Hello.
These are the meatballs close up. As you can see, they're just like a load of vegetables squashed together. Mum's managed to eat all of hers. She never eats anything. What did you think of the veggie meatballs, Mum?
Very alright, they're nice, yeah.
Yeah, they're alright.
Yeah,
a bit lukewarm, but they were nice. So a half thumbs
it's
up.
our own fault we didn't get the gravy because we didn't fancy it, didn't we? Didn't like the look of it.
No, it was all like creamy muck as I call it. We're just having our coffee and cake. Mum decided to meet every menopausal woman in the Ikea canteen. They all kicked off because they didn't have a token for the coffee machine. Now we've got our cappuccinos, and there's one strawberry cake. I've got this pie, apple pie apparently, and
Swedish apple pie.
I don't like the same things as you. Can't you cook where there's nobody here though?
No?
Can't you cook where there's nobody?
No, I was going to cook in there.
Oh, you're not cooking.
You mean can't you?
I'm not really sure about my cabinets now. It's a bit of a downer. It is a bit of a downer though. I don't know if it's too big.
I don't think it's too big at all.
My new bedroom. I'm not really having Ikea.
Hello.
Well, these straws were nice for 80p. You get 100 in there.
Oh, and there's the one
This
where
is
you
the
get
cabinet I
the
want to buy. And I'm looking at this insert thing. It's £8. You can put all your things on there. It's a bit big. A compliment prize with a K.
Oh, so hang on a minute. Oh no, it's not. It's the chandelier. Oh, obviously this is the children's bit.
What have you found?
Oh, Gemma.
Oh.
Mistake to pick stuff out.
Oh. There's your friend again.
Oh, never ever should you pick things out.
He's a nice panda.
Your last chance to buy one of these for £1. They're no longer in production. £1.
Good afternoon to get home.
Comment down below if you could think what it is. We're not going on the other side, Gemma, and then you can get a better shot of it.
This is the cabinet I'm planning to buy, which is like all cubes, and then we're going to get some of these boxes to go in the bottom. I'm a bit worried it's going to be a bit big for my room. I think I'm just fed up now because we've been trailing around here for about, how many hours does it feel like, Mum?
Like about 5 hours, losing the will to live.
To be honest, it's like a place that sucks the soul out of you, to be honest. I don't like Ikea, I've decided. It was alright to go to the canteen. Shall I just buy it, Mum?
Enjoyed our tea.
We enjoyed our tea. Shall I just go for it?
Just go for it,
Yeah.
It's
I
not
do
a
need
shop
some.
for you, Gemma, 'cause you have to come
I
back
do
and
need some more
keep
storage
looking at
space.
things, don't you? So-
Yeah, I'm never going to come here again. We're currently in Warrington. It's about how many miles away was it?
Never again, but
How many?
don't be able to
How many
come back
miles
like
away
half
was
an
it from Warrington?
It's
It was about an hour's drive, and now it's pouring down with rain and dark. I've decided I'm going to buy it and stop being so doom and gloom about it. So now we're heading to the part where you order it. But we've got to come all the way through these kitchens and everything again. It's like a bloody maze. Speed walking through Ikea.
trying to get out of it.
Floor's lava. We've been walking around this Ikea for ages, like I told you before, and now we discover that it's actually a warehouse down underground that you're supposed to be shopping in, like what's behind me here, and all the things are here. Well, we're finally out of here, at the exit. There's all the stuff. We're just waiting for Mum now, and I don't think this is going to fit in my car. I've already got a micro. I think we're going to have to take it out of the box and put all the pieces of wood in. The cubes have been made. It wasn't too difficult actually. I had help. I don't recommend building them on your own because you need somebody to sort of stand and hold them as you're hammering things in. I'll show you what the finished product is like. So here we have the top of the cubes, and you get 8 cubes, so it's 2 by 4. And if you look inside them, they are quite deep set. Now I bought these extra things. This is like a gold metal tray that sort of clips on. I did want it at the top, but you can't clip it on because this bit's too thick. You can only clip it on the thinner shelves in between shelves. That's for putting in, like, I don't know, maybe important documents, magazines, book. Nice book. And this little insert, this is also an insert that goes in. I'll put the links to these down below. I'm not quite keen on this, to be honest. It looks nice at a distance, but I thought it was going to sit a bit further back into the cube. I didn't know it had to sort of perch there because it clips on. That was quite difficult to build. So I've just put that little Funko Pop. That's Jareth from the Labyrinth King, the Goblin King. Just to show you that you can obviously put things, little display items there. And then I've got 2 empty cubes. And then at the bottom, there's 2 storage boxes. And of course you can put things in there. They just open out, they're just made of like material. So I got one with like the black and white pattern and then one grey one. Thought they were quite neutral colours. There's no back in these cubes. I know you can buy inserts that have got backs to them because they can be used as like room dividers and things like that. You can also buy little cupboards. I did want a cupboard door, but as you can probably see from the video, I just couldn't find them in Ikea anywhere. And you can get drawers as well, like made out of the MDF is it called? So yeah.